I'm Ashley St. Lawrence, and my developmental learning design project is MyPlate meal plan. So the learning task is that individuals in middle and late childhood and individuals in middle adulthood participate in nutrition classes to help them learn about MyPlate. MyPlate is the new version of the food pyramid that's outlined by the United States Department of Agriculture. The intended learners are individuals in late childhood from 9 to 12 years old, and their education would take place in an elementary school classroom. The second group of intended learners is individuals in middle adulthood that are 40 to 60 years old, and these classes would probably take place in a community health and wellness class or community center. The learning outcomes. So the learners will be able to categorize food according to the MyPlate categories. They'll be able to choose and incorporate new foods into their existing diet. They'll be able to create a meal plan in accordance to the MyPlate guidelines, and they will increase their belief in the ability to choose a well-balanced diet. So the requisite prior knowledge, individuals need to know nutritional vocabulary, basic food vocabulary, and understand the idea of health and wellness. There are different learning activities for the individuals in late childhood and middle adulthood. The learners in late childhood will begin by categorizing pictures of foods, allowing for student collaboration. They'll learn about healthy alternatives using their cafeteria menus, and in the end, they'll create a well-balanced meal plan using their cafeteria menus. In middle adulthood, in the beginning, they will start by brainstorming the most eaten foods in each category of using the MyPlate guidelines of their existing diet. Then they'll see a presentation about healthy alternatives to that diet, and then they'll create a well-balanced meal plan using the MyPlate guidelines. The developmental appropriateness of these activities. So for late childhood, I designed authentic tasks that allow learners to apply knowledge in a meaningful way to real-life context by using their cafeteria menus. And concrete operations allow children to consider several characteristics, such as the different categories of foods and the ability to classify or divide things into different sets or subsets. In middle adulthood, I'm providing material and activities that are relevant and useful to the learner and connected to their interests and based on real-world tasks. So adults can gain new knowledge to help them solve important problems in their life. So usually in middle adulthood, when their health begins to decline, then it's always a good idea to be able to create a healthy, well-balanced meal plan. Formative assessments are checking for understanding, scaffolding, and having a checklist during each of their activities. Their summative assessment is the completion of a 5-day meal plan based on the MyPlate guidelines. Here are some of the citations of the work that I used to create this project.